ChitChat English.
Pardon me?
Yes, please.
What is your full name?
My name is Lucy Bella Simpkins.
How is your first name spelt?
Lucy Lucy.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York in the USA.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
How old is your sister?
She's 26 years old.
What's her name?
Her name is Jane.
What does she do?
She is a blogger.
Does she look like you?
Yes, we look a bit alike.
Is she married?
No, she isn't married.
What does she like?
She loves creating content.
Are you close with your sister?
Yes, we're very close.
Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, I like yellow.
Do you live in a city or a town?
I live in a city.
What's your favorite season?
I love winter.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m.
Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
I prefer coffee.
What do you like to have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and eggs.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love to cook.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Do you eat out often?
Not too often, maybe once a week.
What's your favorite type of food?
I love Korean food.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, a little bit of spice.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, there's a nice Italian place nearby.
Do you play any sports?
I enjoy playing basketball.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Sometimes, especially during big games.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Where was your last vacation?
I went to Mexico.
Do you have any travel plans?
Yes, I'm planning a trip to Spain.
Do you like flying?
Yes, I think it's exciting.
Are you afraid of heights?
Not really.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish.
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Lion King.
Who's your favorite actor?
Denzel Washington.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I love reading novels.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting.
How often do you paint?
I try to paint every weekend.
Do you like drawing, too?
Yes, but I'm better at painting.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the guitar.
When did you start playing?
I started when I was 10.
What's your favorite song to play?
Yes, Wonderwall by Oasis.
Do you sing as well?
Not really. I'm a bit shy.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you go out dancing?
Sometimes, with friends.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
You are so pretty.
Thank you so much.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, his name is Ben.
How long have you known Ben?
We've been friends since school.
Do you have Instagram?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite phone?
iPhone 15 Pro Max.
What's your favorite TV show?
Planet Earth.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go twice a week.
Do you like running?
Yes, it's relaxing.
How many times a week do you exercise?
Usually 3 times.
Do you eat healthy?
I try to, most of the time.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Broccoli.
Do you like dessert?
Yes, I have a sweet tooth.
Do you like dessert?
Yes, I have a sweet tooth.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake.
Do you have a favorite ice cream flavor?
Vanilla.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Do you like giving gifts?
Yes, it makes me happy.
Do you like receiving gifts?
Yes, who doesn't?
Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, every year with friends and family.
What do you like to do on your birthday?
Go out for dinner with friends.
Are you a morning person?
No, I prefer the evenings.
Do you enjoy watching the sunrise?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Do you have a favorite animal?
Yes, dolphins.
Do you like going to the zoo?
Yes, I enjoy seeing the animals.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, it's very calming.
Do you have any plants?
Yes, I have a few indoor plants.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
Do you prefer online shopping or in-store?
In-store, so I can try things on.
Do you like dressing up?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, for reading.
Do you have a favorite pair of shoes?
Yes, my sneakers.
Are you good at organizing?
Yes, I'm very organized.
Do you like cleaning?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
Do you enjoy helping others?
Yes, it feels good to help.
Do you volunteer?
Yes, I volunteer at a local shelter.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy what I do.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you have any career goals?
Yes, I'd like to get a promotion.
Do you enjoy studying?
Yes, I enjoy learning new things.
What's your favorite subject?
History.
Do you like writing?
Yes, I love writing stories.
Do you keep a journal?
Yes, I write in it every night.
Are you an optimistic person?
Yes, I try to stay positive.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, it's interesting.
Do you have any fears?
Yes, I'm afraid of spiders.
What makes you laugh?
Funny movies and jokes.
What's your happiest memory?
Going to the beach with my family.
What's your biggest dream?
To travel around the world.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
Believe in yourself.